Today we are making pasta. Oh, these are so cute, like a bow. See, they are the festive type. Now, what we have to do? We have to boil these pasta in water. So I am taking this much of water for one big boil of pasta. We have to boil the pasta till it will become soft. Turn on the gas first. Place over it. Now we will cover it and wait for 10 to 15 minutes and turn the gas low. So one thing I forget to add, we have to add some salt in it to make it salty. It will become like this after 15 minutes. Okay, so on the other side we will have to add the chopped capsicum, green chili, garlic and onion. I chopped these 4 ingredients for pasta. So now we will fry these ingredients and vegetables. So you can add more vegetables if available. So now we will start doing fry it. Let's start. Now take a pan or kadai and add some oil or ghee in it. So I am using desi ghee. We simply add onion, chopped garlic and capsicum, green chili. Now stir well. We will not make them too much soft, so we will keep it some crunchy type. So now I will add pasta in it, and after that we will add some masalas or ingredients in it. First of all, we have to add haldi, turmeric in it, not too much, and chili flakes. If you want spicy pasta, then add some more chili flakes. Salt. Now mix all of them. Keep the gas low. Now mix it well, and after that cover it with a lid and wait for few minutes. Now we will add chaat masala, black pepper according to your taste, oregano, tomato ketchup, you can add according to your taste. Add less mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise. Now mix it well. It looks so yummy. I think we should try this now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, then please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.